Okay, what's up, guys? So today I have a review for a few iPhone 4 cases, and well, basically, let's get started. Let me just say this: iPhone cases are obviously iPhones for not to get scratched or torn up or used as much. So here we have a case. I mean, it's pretty used, but I mean, it was pretty nice for the price. It lasted a pretty long time. This case, I bought it when it first had came out, which was $40 at the AT&T store. Alright, so this case easy to slide on, pop it in. That's about it. Working perfectly. Here, I don't like this little space, but it stretches out over time. In the back, it has perfect camera view, flash. Nothing in the sides, the bottom, as usual. Has holes for the 2 speakers. Sorry about that. And up here, you have your microphone jack and your power button. What I like about this is that your power button is nice and clear. It's pretty smooth to press. Don't got to put that much force down. Also, right here, your mute button is very visible, easy access. And you have your volume up, volume down buttons. And yeah, that's basically that for this case. So I think we should move on to the next one. The next case, I actually bought on, what do I mean on? I mean in the AT&T store also. And something pretty cool about this case is that it's clip on, like it takes off, puts back on. This case is also used. I mean, I love this case. It's pretty nice. Has like this nice jelly feel, this vinyl feel. I don't know how to explain. Easy pop off, pop on case. Whatever you hit that, bam. Buttons accessible, power button and camera. As you can see, flash and camera have separate holes. So let's see how it looks on the iPhone itself. Alright, so you clip that on. I have a little chick piece, but hey, whatever. Do what you can, as I said. And right here, actually I have a special feature, which this is for, which I will be showing towards near the end. Perfectly, you see, fits perfectly. All buttons are viewable, accessible, everything. Alright, so that's enough of this case. Let's continue on to the next one. Now, this case I actually bought at a flea market. If you don't know what a flea market is, it's basically this big place where a whole bunch of people round up to sell things they sell merchandise. It's not the black market. It's kind of like a cheaper black market. Here, this is just tape. Sorry about that. You see? And, okay. So, I got it in a nice light green color with the black case up here. So, this case I don't really much like. I'm sorry, but the people who made this case terribly did it wrong. Let me show. I mean, it looks nice, nicely fitted, but look at the button. They're too hard to click. So is the power button. You really have to put a big amount of force on that power button, as you can see. But if you're not buying because of the force or of the accessibility, if you're buying just based on the looks, this is your case. And at least the volume buttons are a little bit accessible. Okay, besides that, our next case is a gray one that I bought on Amazon. It is a Dragon vinyl tatted case. Alright, so in the inside of the case, you see these things which snap on to this front piece. I'll show you guys in a minute. I basically bought this because of the dragon. I mean, seriously, come on, that's pretty cool. And besides that, these all buttons are accessible. like I said, such as the other one. Let's have a look at the Dragon again. Let's just put the front plate on. I'm sorry. Oops. Alright, so we got the front one on. And let's put the back one. Okay. This case, what I really like about this case is bam, you pop it in. I'm sorry, having some difficulties. This literally never happens with this case. First time ever. But anyway, buttons are fully accessible. Vinyl, the little design, your camera, blah 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 blah. You already know the mic and your power button, and that's about it for that case. I mean, this case has a hard plastic feel to it, which is a cheap feel to it. But if you're looking for looks, this is your case. Okay, next you have this black one, which you buy at AT&T. You slide it in, and you pop this in the bottom. This is just like the other one, but the difference is you grab this, and you pop it right there, and you got a holster for your cell phone. You pop that in your belt, bam, or in your pocket. Somebody calls you, pop this back, bam. That's about it. That's it.